Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford Bronco Sport Big Bend. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 1.5 liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get a nice little backup camera, we do get a rear wiper here, a nice little lift glass so you can get some extra air in the vehicle, or you can have easier access to your cargo. Totally up to you. Got roof rails on the roof here. Blind spot detection with the nice Big Bend logo. Moving to the front here, we do get that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does have plenty of storage. You got a cargo air protector. We do get more storage underneath with your spare tire. Cargo cubbies on each side. You have a 12-volt hooks and doodads to hold your gear down. We do get the ability to turn your liftgate on or off. Light on or off. We can collapse this last row if you need additional storage, which is all pretty handy. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray and black cloth interior. Plenty of door space. Carpet interior, you got rear vents, some outlets for charging, and of course you can fold this down. Ooh, one sec, let me get this off. For cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, liftgate and lights all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 68,231 kilometers. We get this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle free screen, voice, phone, and media, volume mute, and cruise control. Looking at our screen here, we get Trip 1, My View, which has a digital speedometer, and or fuel economy and calm screen. We have our driving assist, your audio, phone, information about the vehicle, and all that fun stuff. To my right, we have our gear select, parking brake, auto hold, go modes, cup holders with tons of storage and some outlets down here. We do get some storage in your glove compartment, or not glove compartment, center console with some outlets as well. Your climate controls are just right here with heated front seats. You got a little storage here, engine start stop, storage in the glove compartment, auto stop auto start, and hazards with your media controls as well. Looking at our main screen, we have audio, compass, phone, Wi-Fi hotspot. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. We got our phone controls. Any apps you may download will show up right here. Settings such as your Bluetooth, Ford Pass, vehicle, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, display, valet mode, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8083, and you can head on out to PG Ford or give us a call.